What is up, guys? All right, so in this video, we're gonna do a little quick recap of the GA 21220 video I did about 3 days ago. Today's Saturday, February 15th. If you guys go to the videos, it was the latest webinar that I did on the 12th, which I believe was Wednesday. So it's phase 6, and this is before webinar. So guys, I'm doing videos every single day. I might not post them every day, but there's videos going up every single day that I'm back testing videos, and I'm showing you actual trade setups that I'm taking. So I'm doing this video, and then the next 2 videos are going to be Gbpcad that I'm also doing as well. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. So if you guys look at the GA video, the previous one that I just showed you, I called out this pair. Now I called out this pair. I did that before this massive push, and I told you I was looking for buys towards the top side to fill, you know? And I gave you the confirmations if you went over it. So I want to show you what it went through. I want to show you where I TP'd at, and I want to show you how I caught this move and why it pushed the way it did. So main thing, always higher time frames. We understand that. And when we were in the market during that time period, we were on this point in the market. We saw the price was literally just sitting on these lows. And we were still in this candle, and we saw all these wicks towards the downside. So we knew price was going to fill the wick to continue pushing out. Besides that, we see weekly lows. We see daily lows. And we saw H4 lows too, and we saw just multiple touches. So we had buys pushing up. We're also on a low channel. So we see that price was at a descending triangle. We get that. But we were at a low point. When we entered the buy, we were down here, guys. Then price started to do a morning star and then literally just took off towards the top side. My first TP was about 35 pips from my first entry. I then left a runner that was 15 pips higher than my best entry. Okay, and that one I TP'd at about 935, right about here. So that one I caught about 105 pips off of. Now, did it shoot up more? Yes, it did shoot up more. But I'm okay with it because I intraday traded GJ and also intraday traded GCAD that made up for me not holding it for the other 60 plus pips that it went up, you know? But the move setup was easy. You just have to have faith in it. So again, confirmations that it was weekly low, daily low, H4 low. Everything I'm saying, guys, back test it. Like literally look at my videos that I did prior to this one, and you'll see that I'm not making this up. The exact same thing I'm saying now is what I saw back then, and it did play out exactly how it happened. Now, this massive push, understand this, descending triangles are what? They're more bearish than bullish. So for it to break out of this so hard, it was because news happened. And news did happen around 7 o'clock Wednesday night. This popped towards the top side. Around 7 o'clock Wednesday night, just blew up towards the top side. And then it retraced, and then around 2, and then around 3, 4 a.m. Thursday morning, it continued to go up as well. And this is all it did. This is literally what it did for Wednesday night until probably Thursday, 1 p.m. It was just pushing up, just consolidating. But after 3 a.m. is when it really made its rounds to its top side. So let's look at it. Massive push, and then it literally just came right back down. So that might phase a lot of guys. Like, think about it. 80 pip retracement. But what did it do? It broke the channel and just came back down to test. Resistance turned support, literally hit the channel perfectly, the trend line, sorry, perfectly, and then bounced towards the top side. It was an easy trade. You just have to be patient and look at it. So now, again, I teach when it comes to patterns, 2 things: trade within the pattern or trade the breakout. In this case, you could have traded the breakout. We know price has to retrace, especially when it comes to this type of pattern, ascending triangles, descending triangles. Once price breaks out, they typically come back and test the exact same pattern as support resistance or resistance turn support. So when price came down to this price point, we already knew what was going to happen. And what happened? Price came back down, touched it, and from that price point, it shot towards the top side. And that's it. It just blew up towards the top side, and the rest was history. This was an easy trade, guys. The confirmations were there. And now what do I see coming up? Very simple. We're going to go back to it. Like, what do I see now? Just so you guys could understand. What type of candle is that? That's a hammer. What do we know about hammers? Hammers signal a bullish confluence. But what do we want first? We want price to fill the wick somehow. Fill this wick. Somehow it needs to fill the wick. And why do I say that? Think about it like this. If we enter up here, we have a possibility of a lot more drawdown than anything else. So what are we really waiting for? I want to see price push down. So in this case, I do if measuring for a buy, low to high. I would love to see price go like this and then push up, because we know it's going to push up. Like we know price will push up towards the top side. It's not even that we don't. We understand that price is going to push up. We completely understand price is going to push up. Why? Because of this bullish candle. Now, will it come all the way down there? Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but I do want to see sells. I'm not looking to buy right now. It's too high in the market to buy. Understand, since we're dealing with daily in H4, just this range from here to here, 80 pip drawdown? No, not even close. Look at it. It's ranging. Just that range of, just that rectangle is 80 pips. So imagine you enter up here, but you could have entered down here. Better entry. You get me? So just be patient. But GA definitely looked to long it this week. Probably by Tuesday. By Tuesday, I think it was set up for the long. I think Sunday to Monday, we're going to see sells. Tuesday, we're going to see long buys. But we have to really see. We have to really pay attention to how it reacts. I look at Forex Factory every day to see how it reacts too. So maybe something on Forex Factory is going to tell me the price wants to push up. We're going to see. We have to see exactly how it reacts. But guys, it was an easy move. I hope you guys really capitalized off of it. I really do hope so. The trade setup is there, guys. If you guys have not gone through the course, please go through it. Everything is there. Everything is there. You don't need anything else. Everything is there, guys. Enjoy it. Enjoy the course, guys. And we'll talk soon. All right, guys.